My first memory of GTR was Hakosuka, box type, racing car, and that was 1972. And I was 10 years old, and it hit me.
My first driving experience was the R32 GTR. I was shocked by the engine performance. I was very much impressed by the speed, and the sound was pure racing sound.
At the beginning, our competitor is ourselves. We have to break through our own limits to get to the next level.
To be quicker than the competitor, differentiation was necessary, and the new technology was a part of it.
The conversation between racing technology and product is very important, and it is essential of the GTR.
For pure excitement, acceleration performance is really key. At the end of the rev, 20 additional horsepower, the kick is much more. You can feel the big improvement.
So mid-range acceleration is improved by GTR Nismo technology. It's a firing system to improve about 60% of the full car life.
For the exterior, aerodynamics was improved, but more importantly, cooling performance was very much improved.
We install extra engine horsepower and torque. Then we need to have the other extra cooling system. But it means we need to have a big air intake. Normally, a big air intake must be a worse coefficient drag number, but we recover by new air design. So that's why we have to improve for more smooth air guidance. Total balance management, that's the new GTR aerodynamics.
Driving a GTR, very special. I feel like I'm in a very rigid and hard shell. I'm protected. The suspension moves very smooth manner. This is the feeling of this latest model, surrounded by quite nice premium interior.
All the rigidity is A-pillar, C-pillar works for the same suspension movement. In this case, the suspension works very well. Then cornering speed is much higher. This came from body construction.
To deliver the precision for the customer, every single detail has to be tight.
Craftsmanship is everywhere in the GTR. For example, engine by Takumi, or suspension, or even gorgeous interior of the leather seat. That is the GTR spirit.
From the first generation until today, every single detail must be better than the previous model. This is the history of the GTR. Every single change is for the performance, not for the refreshment. So latest one is really the best GTR in history.
Now, it's your turn to try the new GTR.